Before we get to your full weather with Dana, look at the Bangor Christmas tree. Thanks so much to Dennis for sending us this fabulous festive photo. Remember, you can always share your photos and videos with us using the Near Me section of the News Center Maine mobile app. So obviously a beautiful picture.
Yeah, that is a really nice picture.
I hear it is just freezing in Bangor. It's cold here in Portland, but in Bangor,
yes.
it's another story.
I think using the word frigid to describe our temperatures right now is valid because a lot of us are seeing temperatures below zero.
I can't help but stand like with my arms crossed.
Well, and I want to say in terms of wind chills, we are seeing temperatures below zero, though some of us, especially in northern Maine, will actually see thermometer temperatures below zero. But right now, our wind chills across the state or our feels like temperatures, absolutely frigid. Feels like -21 in Rangeley, feels like -24 in Greenville, feels like -12 in Bangor right now, feels like -6 in Portland. Almost the entire state feels like below zero. Wiscasset feels like zero right now. So a lot of very cold air from a front that passed through earlier today. It did bring some snow showers and snow squalls. Those have since exited the state, but the cold air is going to be here to stay. Our overnight low temps, these are our thermometer temperatures, not our wind chills, are going to be in the single digits for much of the state, but some of us will still be below zero, a low of -5, for example, in Greenville, a low of -1 in Millinocket. Keep in mind, our normal low temperature for Portland is still 26 degrees, so this is much below average for this time of year by a long shot. So low, in fact, our records are on the line, especially in areas near Portland or areas near Augusta, could see record low temperatures early tomorrow morning. Areas of northern Maine around the Bangor area, perhaps a little bit less likely, but statewide temperatures are certainly going to be very cold as we go into early tomorrow morning. It was very windy across the state today. The good news is that the winds will start to settle as we get into the day tomorrow. I think there might be just enough breeze around to add a little bit to that wind chill factor, but it will not be as windy as it was today, so we won't have extreme wind chills, which is good news. And we don't really see much of a warming trend in the 7-day forecast. We have a slight warming, if you want to call it that, as we get into the weekend. Temperatures, though, still below average. Another Arctic front Sunday night sends temperatures crashing once again on Monday. And then we do start to warm up a little bit as we get into the middle of next week, but still really, really cold. So overnight tonight, we do have mostly clear skies, which does contribute to our overnight low temperatures being so low. And then we do have a good bit of sunshine during the day tomorrow. Maybe it'll help you feel a little warmer, maybe not. And then we do start to see increasing clouds during the day on Saturday. And we will have some moisture around thanks to an area of low pressure, mostly to our south. So you may see a couple of snow or rain showers or some flurries around, but we're not expecting a lot of precipitation around on Saturday. Brighter for Sunday, and then we're watching this area of low pressure early Monday morning. It looks like it's going to pass mostly to our south. However, if it does wobble a little farther north, areas of the coast might see a little bit of snow, so we'll keep an eye on that as we go into the weekend. However, we are trending in a drier direction. Marine forecast sees 4 to 6 feet, gale warning in effect until 5 in the morning. Water temperature right now 47 degrees. So we put frigid on the forecast for tomorrow. I think that certainly does apply. Possible record low temperatures early tomorrow morning. Our high temperatures will remain in the 20s. A good bit of sunshine though. As we get into the weekend, increasing clouds on Saturday, perhaps a stray shower or a flurry. And then temperatures crash once again as we get into the beginning of next week, Bailey. So you're definitely going to need a big jacket. I brought my mittens just to leave the studio today, and I think that was the correct choice.
Smart girl. I wish we had our jackets right now.
Yes, it's actually cold in the studio too.
It is very cold. Thank you.